Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you a permanent fix for your Joy-Con drifting issues. Now you have a Joy-Con, you have a Nintendo Switch, and you'll notice after a while that you're having a problem with it drifting. And there's many videos here on YouTube suggesting everything from alcohol, oil, and to be honest, lots of other products that I haven't even heard of. And those are fine if you want a temporary fix. But what I'm going to show you today is a permanent fix for your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con drift. And that product is none other than dielectric grease. That's right. Put a little dielectric grease on the end of a Q-tip and then work that in to the controller underneath the boot by the Joy-Con, and your drift problem will be gone permanently. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now what I like to do to prep everything, obviously, is have your Joy-Con ready to go. And then get your dielectric grease. As you can see, this one has a pump on it, pump handle. And just squirt a little bit out the top and let it sit there until you're ready to grab it and use it. And when you're ready to grab it, you're just going to get it on your Q-tip and roll it. But before we do that, I'm going to show you where you're placing this dielectric grease. Now if you hold your Joy-Con, see if this camera does any justice, and just lift back. Let's turn it this way, it might work a little better. There we go. Lift back that rubber boot right there. You could see that little opening. There's a little opening right there as you lift back that rubber boot slightly, and that's where you're going to get your Q-tip with the dielectric grease on it and work it into that opening. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, I got my Q-tip ready. I got my dielectric grease that I loaded out to the top, so it's easy and ready to go. And then just work it around your Q-tip, like so. And what you're going to do now is lift that rubber boot. There's the opening. Just roll it in there. Roll and push, and work that dielectric grease right in that tiny opening. Okay, once you do that, you can see we're working it in there. Once you do that, what you're going to do with your thumb is just rotate the control knob clockwise for about 10-15 seconds so you could give it a good coating and get that dielectric grease working. Make sure it goes all over. And then you're going to work it counterclockwise for another 10-15 seconds or so. Just keep working it in there, When you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and grab yourself a clean Q-tip and wipe up any excess. Just go gently around while rotating your Q-tip. Just go right around there and just wipe any of that excess dielectric grease that you can grab out of the way. And there you go. It's fairly clean. When you're done, if you'd like, you could wipe down the Joy-Con. Just give it one more wipe down. But that's what we're going to do. And you're done. Now, the next thing we're going to do is bring in my Nintendo Switch, and I'm going to demonstrate that the drift is now gone. Now we're back, and as you can see, I'm calibrating my Joy-Con, and there you go, there's no more drift. Everything is working really well. And like I said, this is a permanent fix. You can go ahead and use the alcohol if you want. You could use oil if you want. I mean, there's other products you could try. There's other videos. But if you're looking for a permanent fix, just one time fix where you're not going to have to go back and do it over and over, then use the dielectric grease. So try it out, let me know, leave some comments below, and if everything works out well for you, please like and subscribe to this channel and leave some feedback. Let me know how it worked for you. Thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for more videos